Showers and squalls, portions of the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes going to be affected by that. That's a quick look at the national maps. Here's an early look at what's going on in your area.
Good morning. I'm meteorologist Carrie Peugeot. We do still have lake effect snow showers falling this morning. You want to plan lots of extra time driving. If you're away from Lake Michigan, 2 to 4 inches, which still may slow you down, but close to Lake Michigan, Porter, LaPorte, and Berrien County, the toll road in 94 and 2. We are talking snow-covered roads and another 3 inches of snow during the day today. The forecast today actually does continue those lake effect snow showers. They'll come to an end this afternoon with some sun, but temperatures topping out around 35.
And in just a little while, we take you turtling right here in South Africa. It's a spectacular sight you don't want to miss. All right, let's send it back to you.
Stephen Colbert going to join us to talk about his Christmas special in a second, but when you're on a map like this, what does it make you feel like you want to do?
Now I want to sing, Harry!
Stephen Colbert, when we come back.
History of smoking and breathing problems, it could be COPD, which includes chronic bronchitis, emphysema, or both. Discover Spiriva, the only once-daily inhaled maintenance prescription that treats both forms of COPD. Spiriva significantly improves lung function to help you breathe better for a full 24 hours, and it's not a steroid. Spiriva is not a rescue inhaler. Tell your doctor about your medicines, even eye drops, and illnesses like glaucoma and urinary or prostate problems. These may worsen with Spiriva. The most common side effect is dry mouth. Others include constipation and problems passing urine. In the event your breathing suddenly worsens, your throat or tongue swells, you get hives, vision changes, or eye pain, stop taking Spiriva and call your doctor. Spiriva is one of many treatment options to consider with your doctor.
Make a habit of breathing better.